This is the sample of the Visapinoy audio post topic that will be launched in the middle of October. Our blog is the first to release its sample, and we are happy to announce it to the readers that Visapinoy and Chin News will be in duo. According to Visapinoy admin, if the launch of audio topic will be successful, it will going to launch on 2008 the multi-languages audio topic with the help of Read Please and Media Maker. So that, for those who have hard times reading English will going to have a chance to read the visa topics in their own language, but the multi-languages will be limited to certain languages which Visapinoy has not yet mentioned. Visit worldwideweb.visapinoy.blogspot.com.